Everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer GGives to CIMB Bank. First, download and install the new CIMB Bank app on your device. You can do this through the Play Store or App Store. If you already have the app installed, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once the app is ready, log in using your credentials. After logging in, select the option to link your GSave or GCredit account. You will see two options, GSave account and GCredit account. Choose your GCredit account. By linking your GCredit, you will be able to apply for other CIMB Bank products and access your GCredit details within the app. To proceed, provide the same mobile number and email address that is registered to your GCredit account. Entering your mobile number in the first box and your email address in the second box, then tap Continue. Next, create a username, ensuring it meets all required criteria. After that, enter your mother's maiden name and tap Continue. And you will be then asked to create a strong password followed by setting up an MPIN, which will be used to verify in-app transactions. All these steps are completed. Your GCredit will be successfully linked and you will be able to transfer your GCredit to CIMB Bank. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.